see Witch World.
Welcome back, y'all.
Guys, tonight we're having
Wingstop.
Yes, we decided to do Wingstop again, guys. So, of course, you thought I was going to say Craig gonna bless the food. I'm going to bless the food.
Trick y'all. Trick y'all.
Let us pray. Father God, we thank you for this food that we have received, Lord. Let it be used for the nourishing and the strength of our bodies. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen.
Amen. Y'all know your boy hungry.
Always.
So I'm about ready to get it in. But today we have some lemon pepper chicken wings. We got flat, as always, with the flat family. And we have the what? What are these? The regular buffalo?
Yeah, regular
buffalo wild wings.
Mm-hmm.
Not buffalo wild wings, but buffalo flavor wings.
Yes.
All right, and we have celery, and we have carrot, and we have celery and carrots on that side, and cheese, little blocks of cheese, and we have blue cheese and ranch. So I'm a blue cheese and ranch person. Pam don't like dipping that off. And I got me a soda, Diet Coke. Yep. So we gonna get it in. But our theme tonight is when we got married.
When we got married.
But y'all know I gotta get into these wings a little bit. Baby, these wings a little bit. Baby, you gonna get into some. Ooh, you gonna start off talking a little bit about when we got married. You eating carrots first.
When we got married?
Eating carrots first, now.
What about when we got married, baby? I think we was like, what?
How old were you?
Like 21?
We got married young.
Like 21. Well, actually, no. I was 21. He was 20. So I
rocked the cradle.
Yeah, I knew he was going to say I rocked the cradle.
She rocked the cradle.
Okay. He always tell everybody that I rocked the cradle.
I got a cougar. I got me a cougar.
3 whole months, y'all, really. So anyways, guys, let's get past that. So he was 20, I was 21 when we got married. And here we are, almost 34 years later. And we're still married. And I'm going to try some dressing. What is this? This is
blue cheese and that's ranch.
And we're still together almost 34 years later and happily married. And what else?
Kids. How many kids?
A lot of kids.
A lot of kids. No, tell them how many kids we got.
A lot.
A lot.
5. 5 kids later.
Yeah.
A lot of grandkids. Don't start asking me how many.
Go ahead,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7?
7 grandkids.
Okay.
Okay. Chanel, 1, 2. Yeah, 3, 4, 5. There is 6, Kale, 7. 7 grandkids. 3 under the age of 1. So that's why I was like, how many grandkids? Because 3 were like just born between November and I think the last one was in March. Something like that, y'all. I'm getting old. I can't take all this stuff. But let him talk so he can stop eating so I can eat. You tell them something about when we got married.
When we got married, we had a small wedding. We got married at 8 o'clock at night.
On 8. What day of the week?
It was Friday night.
Friday night.
Candlelight, y'all. And guess what? I went and brought me a brand new gray suit. Back in them days.
Who paid for that?
I paid for it.
Okay, close this one.
Back in them days, we had a big fancy wedding. Well, they did have one.
Actually, my mom offered to give us a big wedding, but I chose not to.
You didn't want a big wedding. All that plans,
I didn't
confusion.
go through all that.
Yep.
So it was a very small, family-oriented wedding at the church where I attended
We had about what, 25 people?
with my pastor. It may have been a little bit more.
Might have been more than 25.
So
We didn't start out with a lot of debt, so that helped us out. I didn't too into the carrots. You ate a carrot.
nope. Yes, I did. You
That
got
ain't
my
bad,
bread
though.
and sold me off.
Oh, not bad.
No.
That's not bad. There's a little sweet to it.
Anyway, guys, go ahead, Fred.
Where I stopped at? So then we had a nice, during the wedding, the wedding discussion with the preacher.
Oh,
Preacher told me how
counselor.
the counselor. Preacher told me how to keep everything going.
He don't
Keep the
remember that one
flame,
thing.
keep the flames burning.
He only remember that.
Preacher told me every once in a while, pat on the back.
He told me the truth.
I ain't lying.
Preacher
You
did
told me
tell
every once in a while, pat on the back.
But so he's no longer with us.
And that'll keep her crippled. Every once in a while, pat on the back, y'all. And I done kept her for 34 years. Almost 35.
33, almost 34.
Well, we've been knowing each other longer than that.
We've been knowing each other for a long time. A long time.
Yep. So, almost probably 40 years, ain't it?
Lord.
Probably
You
was
don't have me counting about all that
When we was
stuff.
in college, we was still going together when we was in college.
When you were still in second grade, Craig.
I know that, but I'm talking, we wasn't in a relationship then. I'm talking about
No.
relationship time.
A long time.
Mm-hmm.
That's all you gotta say. A long time.
A long time coming.
But the change
But no, I'm coming. I got food in my mouth.
gonna come.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Soda.
Carrots are good. Probably because I know why.
Because you hungry. Mm-hmm.
My mama said carrots is good for your eyes.
Beta carotene, I think that. Ain't it beta carotene?
Don't tell me.
Mm-hmm. I think so. I want to pull out my phone. There you go.
You know, had this big fabulous wedding.
No, but don't despise the small things. Ain't nothing wrong with small weddings.
Our wedding was like close to Christmas time, so
Y'all.
our colors just blend in with everything
Oh
else.
yeah, we had a ready-made theme. Our color theme for our reception and all had a big old Christmas tree at the reception hall. Then we had the Christmas tree had presents under the cake. Did our cake have Christmas?
Our cake
We
was
got
like
married. Did we say
red.
we got married on the 19th? Right? We said that, right?
I don't think we said that, but
Oh, we got married on the 19th of December.
our cake was like looked like it was like red and green. All of it was Christmas themed.
Christmas themed wedding.
So
That was an easy one.
to celebrate our anniversary when we go away, we'll always go away just before Christmas and come back in time for Christmas.
Yeah.
And a lot of times when we're away, like if we're not too far, we just wrap all our Christmas gifts while we're away. We do some shopping and everything. So
Every year we go somewhere. I hope we'll be able to go this year. Every year we go out of the country.
due to the pandemic, we don't know.
Because we don't take this stuff for granted. And we don't take each other for granted.
No, we don't.
Mm-hmm.
No, we don't. We wanna, when we leave this place, whoever leaves first, or whether we leave together, we want to say that we made every moment a good moment. I don't want to ever say, I wish I'd have did this with him, or I wish I'd have did that, I wish I'd have loved him. I love him as much as I can possibly love a human.
Woo! Doing good, y'all. What you trying to get another ring? She's doing real good.
And he knows
She's
that.
trying to get another ring.
No. He know I'm not a real materialistic girl. I like nice things, but I'm not like.
Yeah, you do. No, you're not overdo. You don't overdo it.
Right. Exactly.
No, she don't overdo it. She has rationale.
Yes. I like quality over quantity.
Mm-hmm.
Why am I eating this dip today? I never eat this.
I don't know. You nervous about this wedding? You dropping it on your shirt too? You nervous? What you nervous about?
But what you gonna tell? What you
Got
gonna
me
tell?
talking about it.
What you gonna tell? You ain't nothing to tell.
Oh, yes, stuff to tell. It's stuff to tell now. Mm-hmm. Man,
Yo, I have never eaten
on blue
wings
cheese.
and dipped them before. I've tried it like before and didn't like it. But for some reason, it gotta be talking about this wedding thing.
I hope you ain't pregnant. Ooh, she dipping and don't never use sauce, y'all. Never ever use sauce. The sauce is basically for me.
My kids, of course it is, but I don't know what your dad's talking about. I really don't. What's wrong with him tonight? He's making me nervous.
Don't be nervous. Don't run to our room.
He's making me real nervous.
Yeah.
Hey guys, guess what? Craig, move to your left, and I'm gonna move to my right.
Alright. Okay, go ahead. She got a banner, y'all. If you watched the last one, she got t-shirts. Now she bought a banner. What you gonna do next? I don't know.
One should never know.
I'll tell you. She likes to spend money.
What's the one thing that when you met me that you liked most about me? You only gotta say one thing.
One thing.
You can't even think of one thing.
Oh. Most things I like about you was your personality. Yeah. I like you were honest. You know. You wasn't a gold digger. Oh, I could tell y'all about some stuff too when we used to date. She ain't no gold digger. But we gotta get out of here, y'all, because the time getting too much.
I thought
too
you were
much
telling
time.
people something.
I'm
I'm
talking about the date. Our next one gonna be about when we dated.
Okay.
And our first date. Yeah. Y'all gotta hear that. Our first date. Yeah, I got some news. Alright, y'all, we gonna get out here. Don't forget to
subscribe
and like and peace out, y'all. We love y'all.
guys. Oh my God.